Nomipedia, rename of Indian states and union territories and capitals. During British era, the names of many cities and princely states were changed as per foreign languages and anglicized pronunciations. However, renaming of the Indian states started in the year 1947 after India got independence from British rule. Government, along with the support from the natives, took decision to change the name of those cities that lost their original names, and the remaining process continues till today. So folks, let's look at some of the Indian states, capitals and union territories which were renamed. Bombay to Mumbai. Portuguese explorer Ferdinand de Almeida reached Bombay in 1508. The group of islands was named Bombay, which meant good harbour. Later, the British anglicized the name to Bombay. Bombay has always been known as Bombay in Hindi and Mumbai in Marathi and Gujarati. In 1995, the Shiv Sena party won elections in the state of Maharashtra and took control of the state assembly. After the election, the party announced that the city would be renamed after the Hindu goddess Mumba Devi, the city's patron deity. Therefore, Bombay was renamed to Mumbai. Bangalore to Bengaluru. Bangalore was originally known as Benda Kaluru and then became Bengaluru, following which the British renamed it as Bangalore. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, Dharam Singh, announced that the state government would rename Bangalore to its pre-colonial name Bengaluru, taking effect from November 1, 2006. Hence, the Silicon City Bangalore was renamed as Bengaluru. Calcutta to Kolkata. The name Calicut is derived from the Hindu goddess Kali. In earlier days, the area around the temple were known as Calicut, which was corrupted by the British as they had difficulty in pronouncing it. Therefore, British changed the name from Calicut to Calcutta. On 1st of January 2001, the West Bengal Chief Minister Buddhadev Bhattacharya announced that the state capital, Calcutta, has been officially renamed as Kolkata. Its original name, Calicut, was restored, but in English it came to be called as Kolkata. United Provinces to Uttar Pradesh. The Kingdom of Awadh, occupied by the Britishers in 1856, was united with the northwestern provinces, also known as Agra Presidency, in 1877. In 1902, these two provinces were joined and named as the United Provinces of Agra and Awadh, later shortened to the United Provinces. With the adoption of a new Indian constitution in 1950, the United Provinces were renamed Uttar Pradesh and became a constituent state of the Republic of India. Central Provinces to Madhya Pradesh. When India became independent in 1947, the new states of Madhya Pradesh and Vindhya Pradesh were fixed out of the old Central India Agency. 3 years later, in 1950, the Central Provinces and Berar was renamed to Madhya Pradesh. Mysore to Karnataka. In 1956, the Government of India effected a comprehensive reorganization of provincial boundaries. based upon the principle of shared language. Those areas that spoke the Kannada language were thus unified into one state. As a large portion of this new state comprised the territory of Mysore, the name Mysore was retained as the name of the newly created Kannada-speaking province. This state was then renamed Karnataka in 1973. Orissa to Odisha. Orissa was always pronounced as Odisha. In local language, and state government just brought in a notification to make it official. The state was spelled as Orissa by British because they have problems pronouncing Odisha. Orissa was renamed as Odisha in November 2011. West Bengal to Paschim Bongo. The most recent change was done in an attempt to remove its colonial heritage from its place name in favor of a more culturally significant name. On August 19, 2011, India's politicians voted to change West Bengal's name to Bongo State or Paschim Bongo. Assam to Assam. Assam was renamed in response to an appeal made by Assamese literature and former president of the Assam Sahitya Sabha, Chandra Prasad Saikia, by Minister of State for Planning and Development. In 2006, Assam was officially declared as Assam. Pondicherry to Puducherry. The city and territory's inhabitants said the area had been known as Puducherry since ancient times, but was changed during French colonization. In 2006, the Union Territory and city of Pondicherry had its name changed to Puducherry. Let's have a quick recap. Following are the names of the states, capitals, and union territories which were renamed: Bombay to Mumbai, Bangalore to Bengaluru, Calcutta to Kolkata, United Provinces to Uttar Pradesh, Central Provinces to Madhya Pradesh, Mysore to Karnataka, Orissa to Odisha,